There's always been something incredibly hardcore about Sasuke's eyes. So we're going to do a close-up portrait of Sasuke. I've done a few of these, but I found another one. It's kind of cool. I don't know if it's a fan art or not. Let's draw it. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Okay, so eyes sort of along the middle, center point of my page here. Eyes will be along this halfway point. And we go diagonal. And then it goes across that top part of his eye. We're going to give him those slender sort of style eyes, right? Very intense looking. Which do you prefer? Portraits close up or the full body, like the Boruto manga panel that I did last week, I think. I kind of like both. They're fun in different ways to draw. Right, so then eye down there. Usually they have a hook, you know, like a little there, and then we go back to the front. Right, so the Rinnegan. We got so the Rinnegan can be difficult because it's like drawn like a bullseye, so circles around circles. So if you have like a circle stencil or a compass or something that will help you, feel free to use it. But we're just going to go freehand. Pupil right there, very small. Okay, and then around. Once or twice first. Can be tricky now to get a real circular, because it goes like disappears underneath his eyelids then as you get further out. Can't see the rest because there's hair under there, so it's up to you if you want to draw more of that or just wait for the hair spike, because there will be. So then we've got the sort of markings that are in this eye then. 3 of them that I can see. And then his eyebrow, big frowning sort of eyebrow just going underneath hair again, but we'll draw it in. And we usually want it darker at the front and thinner at the back. And then an eyelid line in there. And he might have like a little eyelid line just underneath. So his other sort of Sharingan eye is over here, and it's roughly like the width of his eye over. The purple part anyway. Like that sort of distance between the eyes. You know, like here to here. It's about the same as there to there. Between his tear ducts. And then you'll go across the top again. Angled up. Dark. Thick eyelid line. right? And then go down. Then it kind of just comes around to there. Then again, the pupil sort of looking sort of this way. So we'll go and then the Sharingan sort of red. Semicircle there. And then we get the markings. So we get the red comma there. So I guess it's about the size of maybe that one, this circle on that side. Maybe a bit bigger even. And then they sometimes add an extra sort of broken line around there. Right, and then his other eyebrow going that way. And it's usually thicker at the front. And like an eyelid line just there, and maybe some stuff underneath. Bit of a nose line starting there, and then the bridge of his nose sort of comes down this way. They don't draw in much more than that. They'll just jump down to his nostrils and sort of bridge of his nose, top of his nose there. And then we have a real downturned, sort of angry mouth sort of section here. And the bottom lip then, like that. It's a very dark, brooding look. Pointy chin here. And you notice now, like this space, it's probably like, say like nose, say the nostril to the bottom of the chin, it'll bring you up just underneath his eyes. It's because his head is like tilted forward, he's like leaning in. So this whole space is bigger than this. Okay, so like that and that, this is like much smaller. So the proportions are kind of distorted when a character tilts their head. So then we go jaw there. This way as well. And then we got like lots of hair spikes now. So say the first one on his fringe. So we'll go cover, it does cover some of this eye. And then we kind of just, we don't get a full spike here. We just get a line sort of, and then longer ones. Just spiking our way across his forehead. And then we have the long sort of Uchiha ones that sort of come down the side of his head here. So we'll go, how far? So we'll go, there's like a little one here actually behind us. And then back up, down. And then up past the ear. So his ear's in there somewhere. But then we'll do the ones sort of down here. Then everything starts to go up this way then. And then he has some that start to stick out. Now they go around and off my page. Like that, so we're close up. And then his ear is like there. Some ear lines. And then another little hair spike here. And then the rest. This will probably go off my page here somewhere. Like there. Right, so then we got his neck. That way. The other side of is like a neck muscle. You can't see the back of it. And then just like his collarbones. And then we get the collar itself. This is like heavy, isn't it? Heavy Sasuke. Not heavy, heavy. It's got like a zipper there. The other side will come out from up here. It's got a zip line there. And then his shoulder just sort of goes down this way. Okay, it's not visible, but I imagine it just goes off down this way. There's some fabric lines then. And there you go. Sasuke with the Sharingan and the Rinnegan from Naruto. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. That was close. We missed a bit of his neck at the back. I nearly stopped. Back here. There's another little hair spike. Okay, now we're done. Let me know if you like... Do you like more portraits or full body? See you next one. Bye.